Welcome to the world of XR, where digital meets the real world. Imagine a world where digital content seamlessly integrate with your real surroundings. A world where you can interact with virtual objects, overlay information, and transform your space into an endless canvas of possibilities. This seamlessly blends the physical and digital world to create immersive experiences. This is the realm of mixed reality and extended reality that are reshaping how we interact with the world around us. Businesses can harness the power of XR technology to create immersive experiences that transform customer engagement, streamline operations, and drive innovation. The futuristic mixed reality environment, transforming various industries like healthcare, kids learning, technology labs, museum, retail, and entertainment. Reach us at Interactix and let's explore the endless possibilities of mixed reality together.